It has taken a lot of courage for us to discuss this. It has like hatukuwahi taka discuss this topic and hatukuwahi tamani discuss this.
I know.
But because are we really ready for children?
Yeah.
So are we really ready?
Tell me.
Are we really ready?
Tell me. You're the priest of the house.
That's a very interesting question.
When you see a pregnant woman, see a favored woman.
Are we really ready
For
for a kid? We are.
No, I want us now to open up. And this we have to open up to one another. And also as they live.
Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
My name is Mary.
And my name is Alex.
And together with you
we
guys,
are the Alexis family.
The Alexis family.
Yeah.
Welcome once again to our YouTube channel.
Na umeanza YouTube, umeanza video ukiwa on a very low mood kwa nini?
Lazima ni glow. Lazima ni glow. I know guys, you're seeing me glowing. Ni God. Ni God. Ndio tunashuka kwenye kilele. Tulikuwa tumepanda kileleni, sasa tunashuka kutoka kilele. Na ukitoka kwa kilele babe, lazima utoke na utukufu.
Utoke una
So that's why we are glowing because of where we have come from.
Okay.
You know, it is still the beginning of the year.
Still Happy New Year. By the way, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. By the way, hatujawishi watu wetu Happy New Year. I think this year hatujafanya video ya New Year.
By the way, oh my goodness. Hatujafanya video ya New Year.
Hatujafanya video ya New Year.
Oh my goodness.
Happy New Year, the Alexis team. God bless you for us.
And we are so sorry. By the way, I want to sincerely apologize. You know, sometimes people, or even PSCC, we wish to be dropping video every now and then.
I know.
Like every week, or maybe after every 2 days. That's our wish.
That's our wish, by the way.
But sometimes mambo inakuwa mingi.
Tunajipatanga sege munege. Tunasema hii weekend lazima tuachilie. Hii weekend tunaenda tunasema hii wiki lazima tuachilie.
Inaenda hivyo.
So guys, whenever you see us, always appreciate that we have come back again. It costs us, or it takes the hand of God. It takes the hand of God to sit down, shoot a video, edit it, alafu urudi upload. Aki ya Mungu. Aki mtu tusame. Tusameni kama sijoishi. By now, Happy New Year.
But as we always do, we promise them tutaendelea. In fact, I know that from this video, sasa tuta drop very new videos.
Aki Mungu tusaidie. Tusaidie. Hii ni kazi yako, hii ni kazi ya Bwana. Hii ni kazi ya Bwana. Mungu tusaidie tafadhali Nyasaye Bwana. So feel sorry. I mean feel appreciated, feel loved, feel welcomed again in our YouTube channel. And this year we have great things to come.
Yeah.
We have planned a lot. Oh my God. Hey, we plan, but you are the one who establishes. God will establish your plans and also your plans. I know you have the plans that you had for the year. Na ukaziandika chini na demo kubwa. Mungu atazitimiza by the end of this year. Na sisi pia hatujaachwa nyuma. Pia sisi tunakuwa na hiyo time. And that's why hatujakuwa sana hapa YouTube, because tunaambia Mungu, what do we want with our YouTube?
Yeah.
What do you guys what does God want? Tunajiweka kwa mkakata.
Yeah.
That aside, welcome back. This is our new video.
Yes, a very brand new video. And guys, if you have not subscribed tafadhali,
this is your time. You Who have not
Imagine.
subscribed, this is your time to subscribe.
By the way, unajua tuko 10k subs. No, we are 11k subscribers.
Yay, we are growing,
We are
guys.
11k subscriber. So please, imagine ni wewe tu tunaambia kama huja subscribe. Ni just make sure this year we are targeting to reach
100k
subscribers and above. So please, ebu gonga like and then ebu subscribe. Na ukisubscribe, please tell us subscribed. Just hivyo tu.
Imagine free of charge.
Imagine.
Free of charge. And that is the only that's the only way you can pay our content, by subscribing and listening and enjoying and na una comment ukipata kakitu ka point comment hapo tutakujibu man.
As we continue with this amazing discussion. And the discussion of today is a very interesting. Let me say it's a very interesting.
Yes.
And it's a very sensitive, interesting, sensitive discussion.
Yeah.
And it has taken a lot of courage for us to discuss this. It has hatukuwahi taka kudiscuss this topic and hatukuwahi tamani kudiscuss this.
I know.
But because of the great love we have for these people, why not discuss it?
Tunataka kuibia siri. Tunataka kuibia kasiri, guys.
Lakini jamani. So what are we up to?
So today we are just going to address a very sensitive topic, but again we are okay discussing it. We are okay sharing with you guys because you are our friends, you are our family. So we are going to discuss and to tackle one of the things that people have been asking so much.
And
online. Sijui kama guys umeziona.
And offline.
And offline also.
By the way, the first year ndio si kuona hizo vitu.
Yeah.
But the second year kiga
zimekuja zimefuatana na munai. Zinafuatana na munai. Yaani mkiondokea chua unajaribu kuhepa chua bado mnajipata. So na sisi tumesema this is our third year. Let's talk about it.
Let's just share about it. And so what is this?
This is an issue to do with the children. So we are just going to air it out openly, plainly. Are we really ready for the kids?
Like, are we tunatafuta? By the way, kutafuta is not a good term to use. Like, are we ready for the kid? Because kutafuta,
are we ready? Yeah, I think
kutafuta hapana. Kutafuta is not. Be.
We will not tafuta them. They will come. For me, I don't believe in kutafuta kids.
By the way,
I just believe that God has created us, and if we are carriers of his blessings, we will carry them no matter what. So hatutazitafuta.
Yeah, si kutafuta. Are we ready?
So ni sisi tunajiuliza, are we ready?
Are we ready?
Are we ready for
that? That is the question that
guys, do you think that's a shallow topic? That's a very huge, a very detailed, a very big topic.
And let me show them why we have decided to just this. Say this. Because people have asked, like, leteni mtoto. Like, si mtu moja. Na si wawili.
If by then ningekuwa mtu wa kubai pressure, ningekuwa nishaanza kubai.
Umeshaanza kubai.
Ningekuwa nishaanza kubai pressure.
Guys,
hiki mama kilikuja tu kujaza choo kwa in-laws. Unajua kuna mtu alisema ati kama ningekuwa in-law ningeshasema Alex arudishe huyu mtu kwa.
Oh my goodness.
So
I think we can just show them very few of those people ambao wamekuwa wakiuliza about, and this is online. Offline hatuko nayo because offline nakujanga tu. So these are some of the things, these are some of the questions ambao zimefanya to feel that we should say, are we really ready
for
a kid? Yeah, these are some of the comments ambazo tumekuwa tukipata.
And we are happy for them, by the way. We are happy for them because kama si hizo by the way tuwezi kumbuka kama tunafaa.
Sasa comments kama hizi.
Tunafaa kubeba hiyo baraka ama tufai. Let's relax na uchumi is not on our side.
Mtu kama huyo akikupatia kama hii comment jamani. It's anyway, by the way, I think it's as they continue watching this, it is important to say that we have not bought that pressure.
Never ever.
We have not bought that. Hii pressure yenye mnaona hapa, honestly speaking, from our end, we have not bought it.
Never ever. And by the way, we never buy anyone's pressure.
Yes. And that is not
their fear is not our fear. And their worry is not our worry.
Yeah.
Alafu pia, to just borrow from what we discussed previously, we say that a child has nothing to do with us.
Yeah.
Sisi, we are just custodian of God's blessing. And it is through conceiving and giving birth that we can only multiply. And that's assignment.
Yeah.
Or that is a mandate that is within us. That God wants to fulfill through us. That's his purpose.
Yeah.
So it has nothing to do with a man and a woman. God, yes, will use a man and a woman for his purpose to continue and for generations to come, and zingine zinaenda, watu wengine wanakufa, wengine wanazaliwa.
Yeah.
But people have taken it as if it's personal.
It's personal.
Ati kupata mtoto ni personal. You get a kid because I want to get to be called a mom. Because I want to be called, nikisimama niseme I'm a mom of two. You know, ati nenda graduation ya mtoto wangu. It has nothing totally to do with you. In fact, when you see a pregnant woman, see a favored woman. God has just favored that person to carry or to be a carrier of God's purpose.
Yeah.
So usimusikilie wivu because kuna watu pengine pia wako na wivu wakiona umepata ball wanakusikilia wivu.
Yeah.
They forget that this is the purpose of God, and this is one of the greatest assignments that God has given a man to multiply for his will. Or for his purpose. When that kid grows up and becomes a big man, we will not see a kid. We'll see God's man. We'll see God's weapon. We'll see God's vessel. So God uses men.
Yeah. So,
and men will come. How will men come in on earth if not through men?
Through men.
So this is one of the things, by the way, we should really take in on and also be so careful when you're addressing them.
Kwani unakuwa serious sana?
Because I'm so intentional. But you guys, I'm always intentional when it comes to mambo ya kids. I'm very intentional. Like, if there is a person who may wish to raise kids intentionally, ni mimi. Because they have, as I have said, I know by now, they have nothing to do with me. Mimi tu nikipata mtoto nasema, kai, Mungu umenipendelea, Mungu umenipea favor. Give me grace to raise them. Give me the ability, the wisdom that you need, that these kids need. You know, sitaki wapotee. Sitaki wapotee, guys, because wakipotea mimi ndo nitakuwa nimelose.
You are answerable.
Yes, I will have lost. So I don't want that way. So let's talk about it.
Yes, and maybe, you know, there are some people who have really negative comments. And hizo tumeonyesha hawa watu. Because like mtu anakuambia, wewe kwani uliolewa ufanye nini? Wewe uliolewa ukuje tu kukunia. Wewe uliolewa tu. Like, you know, and by the way, the unfortunate thing is that this sana way ina affect women. It affects ladies.
Na sometimes unapatanga ni ladies wana attack ladies.
Yes, of course. In fact,
especially in our country,
90%
Kenya,
ni ladies who wana attack.
We need to think twice.
But there are some people, and I want to categorically say this. There are some people who are really understanding. They know that a kid is a blessing from God. They know that watu kuna venye unaweza kuwa umejipangia. They know that God like si ati ni lazima hata watu wapate mtoto. You know, some of these comments pia tumekuwa tukipata, and I want to say like these people also in a way motivates us. In a way wanatuonyesha so indeed kuna watu pia they are reasoning well. And mimi najua nataka kuongea na facts. I think I will also show these people some of the comments ambazo, you know, people have shown that, you know, wanataka kuambia ulimwengu that let these people be. Let the Alexis family be. Kama maybe time yao haijafika, let them be, time yao itafika. Let them not buy pressure. And by the way, I want to appreciate you because you have not bought pressure.
Guys, cannot.
Let's appreciate these guys.
Thumbs up to you.
Thumbs up to you. Anyone, wewe mwenye umekuja ukacomment ukasema, nyinyi watu the Alexis family mjitie nguvu, msikuwe na pressure. Wewe umekuja ukatuambia ignore the negative comments.
Alafu kuna tu wale watu tufaitia man. Kwanza TikTok comment section kuna tu wale watu walitumwa tu na Nyasaye, kazi yao ni kutufaitia. Wakiona tu haka wanaingiana, unapata comment iko na 100 comments. Unashindwa nini inaendelea huko? Kwani kuna kuingia?
I just hope
watu wametufaitia huko, acha tu.
I just hope that nitapata some samples of this because
you have to look for them.
Guys, let me show you for 1 minute this sample of these videos, of these comments.
Yeah. So, guys, you have seen all that. Now let's discuss. This is me and you now, husband and wife. All right, my guy.
Lakini jamani, online.
All right, my guy.
So you want to say if indeed we are ready?
No, I want us now to open up. And this we have to open up to one another. And also as they listen. So you guys, mnakuwa tu hapo mna listen, tunaulizana maswali. Na kuuliza, are you really ready for the kid? And not for the kid, by the way. I'm not saying for a kid. I'm saying for children.
For children.
Because once we start bearing children, we'll not just get one.
Nikaende. Kwani unataka wangapi wewe?
Kwani na Mungu akinibariki na 10 si ni baraka?
Babe, 10 children.
The more the children, the more the blessing.
10 children?
Yes, kila mtu ana sahani yake. Hizo utakuwa sahani 10.
So what do you mean? Me and how?
Watoto wa 10 nayo. No, I have no problem with the 10 kids. Kwani are you the one raising them? Are you the one raising them?
At your mother, the one with
God providing for them.
Well, let me tell you.
Now you see, guys. You see what we have said?
No.
I don't know. Again, I repeat. What does a kid have to do with you?
Babe, let's speak here.
No, me, God, I'm asking for more children because the more the children, the more the blessing.
Skiza, unajua they
God
say,
knows that we cannot fit 10 of us in one bedroom, so He will give us our mansion house.
Let me tell
10 bedroom
you,
house.
Let me tell you, they say that mtoto anakuja na sahani yake.
Ndio.
Lakini kumbuka anakujanga na sahani, si chakula.
Siku hizi wanakuja hadi na Range Rover. Simwambieni huyu.
Anakuja na sahani.
Well packaged. Wao wanakuja na mabrand sawa, inakuja na hiyo. Ambieni Mr. Alex.
So babe, you want to have as many kids as possible?
As many as I can. By the way, nitakutolea mahali penye nishaienda. I think it was 2023 or 2022 ama 2024. I think 2024 June. 2024 June. I was somewhere praying. And I found myself praying about my children and about their future and their destinies. And God clearly told me something and I wrote it down.
So what did God told you?
Down. Guys, do you want to know?
I just want to know down. Because
I think I will show you. I have never shown you by the way.
If he told you that you get 10 children.
But then, guys, mi ni wale watu wenye nikienda kwa Mungu kwanza prayer and fasting na kuanga very intentional. Na nakuanga very keen kusikia Mungu anasema nini. Na once amesema na nimekuwa convinced this is the voice of God. Naandika. Na without further ado inakuja kutimia.
Lakini baby, siku ati uliandika 10 children because
Kwani are you afraid? Unaweza kuja mapacha ama ugonge kamoja udhaini kamoja wanakuja wamebebana hivi. Wanakuja kama ile mahindi yenye wewe inazaa watoto hivi. Unapata mahindi moja lakini imezaa kubwa ndogo. Yote imebebana hivi.
Mimi nao maombi yangu ni kama nitaomba Mungu nimwambie 10 tugawanye na wengine 10 hapa. Ugawie wengine.
But the more the children, the more the blessing.
Yes, I know. I understand. But babe, watoto 10 si mchezo. Watoto 10 si mchezo.
So unataka wangapi? So unataka wangapi?
Mimi. Mimi hata okay, at maximum maybe 5.
So what is the difference between 5 and 10? They're just 5. It's just 5.
Half of 10.
Difference is
half of 10. So now like you want to say the difference between 1 and a half. There's no difference.
Hiyo ni kusema tu utamberera hapo pengine ongezea. So as we speak about it, I don't want to picture one child. I just want to picture the family. Are we ready for the family? Yes.
Children.
So if we are discussing about it, we are discussing about the readiness for the family, not a kid.
Yeah.
Because when we say a kid, we are limiting ourselves. Yeah.
So are we really ready?
Tell me.
Are we really ready?
Tell me, you're the priest of the house.
That's a very interesting question. But I think this question is well answered through some questions.
Through some questions?
Yes.
Which questions?
Like, I will ask myself a question, and if the answer is yes, then I'm ready. And I will ask you a question.
Ebu niambie, sorry to cut you short. Ebu niambie if a time like this you had ever pictured it, ukajiona like 2026 neza kuwa ready for a family, I'll still be so young, I was chasing my dream car. Ebu niambie, are you there? Are you there now? Because I know some 10 years ago you had a dream of 10 years to come. So tell me if maybe ili backfire, ama uko at the actual, is it the actual time actually to discuss about that?
Okay, unfortunately, 10 years ago, I never envisioned myself in a family.
You.
Like, I mean, I was not, me hata sikuwa nafikiria mambo ya family.
Okay, kwani watu wanafikirianga guys ya mami ndio wana overthink peke yangu. Kwani mimi wana overthink peke yangu? Because tell me why in 10 years to come I have a diary of what I want.
I never thought of a wife.
Woo, okay.
I never.
10 years ago it was 2016.
Yes, that's when I was
tunamaliza form 4.
Hiyo ndio nilikuwa nimemaliza form 4. Actually, I was not even thinking.
Na mimi nilianza kufikiria familia nilikuwa class 7. Kwani nilikuwa rotten?
Anyway, maybe kuna watu wanafikirianga mbali na kuna watu tunafikirianga hiyo time ikifika. So mimi 10 years, I never thought even, not a child, even a wife.
Even a wife.
Yeah.
So hata imagine utataka wife.
Mimi hata sikuwahi fikiria.
Kwani ukienda kuomba ulikuwa unaombeanga nini?
Sikuwahi ombea mambo hiyo.
After kuombea ugali na school fees, what else ulikuwa unaombea?
Hai, sasa
ndio wale watu mnaangalianga watu wakiomba mnashinda sasa watu wanaombanga nini? Because maybe I could pray for things mpaka ninajita mkutano najuza by the Mary, are you normal?
So ulikuwa unaombea hadi watoto.
But do you know the things that I used to pray for? Ni vitu nimeona zikihappen one by one, including the wedding, including mimi niliombea campus kama hata sijui kama nitaingia high school. By the way, I'm telling you for sure. Mimi ni wale watu nilikuwa naombea marafiki wa campus na hata sijui kama nitaingia nitapita hiyo grade ya form 4 nitapata. Don't know. So I used to pray for, mimi ungenipata kwa prayer room. Mimi naombea bwanangu. I pray. I scatter. I refuse. I reject. I nullify. Na hata sijui nitapata mrefu mweupe brown. Na bado I was still in primary school. So I think we are created different.
Yeah.
And pia we are ironed differently. And that's why unasikia nikisema here I'm so much intentional because there is a picture of a family that I saw and I would wish God to, you know, equate fulfilled in my eyes.
Yeah.
So, wewe umesema uko umenvision.
Sikuwa.
So, are we in the right time to discuss them?
In fact, it is the most right time.
Okay.
Because now like I'm just thinking of it.
Okay.
You know, like for now, ama after.
Mimi nakukatakata, lakini Alex is one kind of a person who thinks one thing at a time.
Of course.
Alex, last year, a time like this, if we could have discussed about it, we'll say we'll cross the bridge when we get there. When we get there. So I think he feels this is the time to discuss.
This is now the
not
right
really
time.
To have them, but to discuss about them. That's how he keeps on postponing. Nikienda kusema, wacha nende niseme, babe, unataka mtoto wetu ataitwa jina gani kama atakuwa msichana? Ananyamaza, ananiambia, are we yet there? Anamwambia, not yet, but I'm just planning. I'm just writing some names. What about this? Anamwambia, tukifika hapo, wakati utapata mimba na tusie ni mdem, tutadiscuss from there.
Yeah.
You guys, we are created aje.
No, we are created differently.
I thank God for you.
Yeah, so
by the way, ujipeangi pressure unnecessarily.
Pressure mingi mi spendangi. Mimi hizo pressure mingi ndio spendangi.
Okay, now it's time to discuss about it, guys. Let's go ahead.
So this is now the point. And I've said I am going to answer this question today if indeed we are ready for children.
And if he's ready, automatically I'm born ready.
And mimi nimesema
I'm born ready, guys. So mimi answer yangu mnajua. Answer yangu mnajua, but again I will explain why I feel I'm ready.
I will ask at least 3 questions.
Okay.
You say yes or no,
yeah.
I say yes or no.
Okay.
And then from those 3 questions, then we can gauge ourselves.
Yeah.
Are we really ready for children? Number 1.
One question.
The first question that I want to ask ourselves is psychologically. Are we prepared to carry a baby, to like bring up a baby? And now on this matter is babies psychologically, yani
to bring up a family. Ongelea familia. Ukisema akidi naonekana kama nitaingia pia.
Nasema children.
Nitaingia labor room na nitoke.
Nasema children. Nasema children.
Thank you.
Yeah. Are you psychologically prepared? Because that is one of the questions that we should ask ourselves.
By the way, unajua kuna watu wanakuwa prepared once wamejua, hey, niko na ball. Bas, unaanza kuprepare. Sisi tunataka kuprepare before, like, are you psychological? Because as you have said is that mtoto ni baraka kutoka kwa Mungu. And you should just know. Yeah, you should just be very, very prepared. Are you psychologically prepared? Psychologically?
Yani akili yako iko tayari.
Okay. This I will say yes. And again, no.
Now you are complicating things.
No, I will explain. Let me explain. I will say yes because I feel ready psychologically. Yes, because I feel ready. And no, because I don't know what it will come with.
Okay. So the fear of unknown.
But because of that, which overtakes faith, I will choose faith and overcome fear. So that we have cancelled by faith. And I say, the fear of unknown, God is with me. I am ready.
You are ready.
Yeah.
So psychologically, you are ready.
Very ready.
Emotionally.
Unajua psychologically ni kumaanisha you are aware of what is happening.
Yes.
You are aware and you are ready for what it will come with. You are ready to carry the baton. And because of faith, and that's why hapo nimeweka faith. Because nikisema yes and no, no means fear. Nimesha explain sijui itakuja na nini. Niko ready yes, lakini sijui mtu anasikiangaje kama mbeba mimba, mtu anasikiangaje akizaa. So that is fear. So we cancel it in the name of Jesus by faith. So I'm choosing faith and yes.
So you are ready psychologically.
No.
I am also ready.
What about you?
I am also ready psychologically.
So you are ready that the kids will come. You'll have the responsibility to make sure wamekula, wamekunywa. Hata kama si wewe directly una provide, but you are the receiver.
I'm ready psychologically.
Their needs.
Yes.
Okay.
The second question, you know, if one of these questions becomes no, then it means we are not ready.
Okay. They have to balance.
They have to be all yes.
Na mimi nimejipima, niko kitako.
So number 1, tick.
Yeah.
The second questions comes in. Now I will ask you and you will ask me. Are we in agreement? Like, do I really want a child and do you really want a child?
Oh, I want a child. I want children. Oh, yes. Hallelujah. Hey. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Hey. I want children, guys.
So
I want children.
So what I have made me ask that is because sometimes you may want a child.
Yeah.
I don't want.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
I may want and you don't want.
Yeah, sure.
And as a family, we should have a mutual agreement.
We must speak one language.
You have to speak one language.
Yes.
So, I want and you want.
Do you want a child? As such a year as this?
Saa hii tuko mwezi wa ngapi?
Tuko mwezi wa kwanza. Mungu aza tugonga.
Oh, so bado
we are discussing it at the right time, guys. The right time.
Bado mwaka iko.
Bado kuna mwaka mbele.
So tumebakisha now how many months?
Tukifika mwezi wa 3.
Kai wa 3.
Wa 3. Okay. 12 minus 3?
12 minus 3 is 9.
So tukipitisha mwezi wa 3
ni mpaka 2027.
Kama guys hakuna dalili tunajua baka kichaguliwa.
So tumebakisha mnyesho ngapi?
Kwenda huko mimi. Si ilikuwa the last time ilikuwa. tunangoja lakini sitaki kuona ya February because guys we are discussing it as the right time. So because we are discussing it at the end of January, so February I don't want to see you. Mnyesh tuonane in Jesus name. I seal. Today tumeamua ku speak in Agaubaga, so you also want a kid?
Yeah, sure.
Oh,
so
okay. Na it's your pressure?
It's not pressure. I cannot buy pressure.
From our mouth to God's ear.
The last question is, now I am referring to what you had said, that if we are, or if you are, like in the knowledge of that a child is a blessing from God, and a child is a responsibility that you've been given by God.
Yeah.
Are you aware of that?
Of course, I'm aware. So now I know that's a very valid question, by the way.
Yes.
Na that's why mtu anafaa kuthink before ajibu.
Yes.
Because kuna watu husema watoto ni wa baba yao. Wengine wasema watoto ni wa mama yao. So you tend to relax on some responsibilities because you feel this is not my part.
Yes.
This is the part of the husband. So that is a very sensitive and very deep question.
Yeah.
I think I'm supposed to think it again before I say yes or I say no.
Yeah.
Because in this world that we are in today, 90% of the marriages, some responsibilities concerning their children are not shared. Why? Because a woman feels I should not pay school fees for my child. This is the responsibility of the father. And the father feels I should not buy a boxer to my son. Why? Because these are responsibility of the mother. So it is good to know that God has given you that blessing together. Then it means we have to provide for that person or for that gift together. So God can come through you and can come through me.
Through you.
That means, for example, when you have the money to pay the school fees, I have the money to do something else. We put them together and we divide the bills equally, squarely. So sisemi ati yangu nitanunulia watu wangu manguo na wewe yangu nitawalipia school fees. Hiyo sio kazi yangu. Hiyo sio kazi yangu. So hatufai kutupiana. Is that what you mean?
That's exactly what I mean.
Yeah. And in this case, God has blessed us with a family. Then eburudio swali.
The swali ni, are you aware or are we aware that the child is a God-given blessing? And like God amekupatia that responsibility to raise that blessing
together. Yes, I believe. And you know. And you
understand.
And
you
I
comprehend.
Understand. Yes.
Thank you. So with those 3 questions,
what about you?
I have said yes.
No,
I've said yes.
I said, so hata kukuja kupunish mtoto utaniambia acha kupiga mtoto. Unaona?
No.
Kitakuja kuniramba. Guys, ni kama kitaniramba.
Okay.
Kwa sababu sasa we have just discussed that children are blessings from God. And we are responsible for them.
Yes.
So responsibility hata kwa hiyo kitu kidogo, hata niko jikoni guys napika ugali. Mtoto amepupua pale. Babake hafai kusema, achilia hiyo ugali jikoni kuja toa. It's your responsibility.
For your information.
Ndio.
Let me tell you, for your information. My child, kama mimi.
Guys, I thank God this is being recorded. Ongeza volume.
Wacha hii naongea pole pole. Let me, for your information. For your information. mimi mtoto kwanza akiwa at the tender age. Akiwa at the tender age hapa. Hatuwezi sumbuana wewe ati because of some simple responsibilities.
Babe, you know you're a man.
I know.
Some simple responsibilities like
every responsibility.
So mimi nisitaitwa nikiwa jikoni niache kupika nikuje nitoe kinyesi.
It depends. Okay, it depends. It depends if indeed you are doing a very serious thing.
So you will consider what I'm doing.
Yes, I will consider what you are doing.
What if akikunia mimi amekunia acha niende nikachuje.
Sasa hiyo nayo itakuwa ni mchezo. Hiyo nayo siwezi kubali. Hiyo nitakubali aje. But if you are serious,
hapo kwa kama jamaa wengine niona wanavaa baka gloves. Anavaa baka mask niende kutoa mtoto.
But if you are serious, like you are so much engaged ukifua nguo nini naona umechoka, I'll just
so it will be also your responsibility.
It is my responsibility.
Akakiamua kulia usiku.
Anyway.
Nye. Siku moja tu kagwe kama umwa na umbu. Kakaamua leo mimi nalia sijifuniki tena hii umbu inaniuma. Kalia tu usiku mzima utaamua kunisaidia.
Kwani utalala aje mtoto akilia?
Ai. Unajua kuna watu hata anavaa earphones asisikie kelele mtoto wake.
Now that's
ati mtoto hiyo ni kazi ya mama yake.
That now means you are not
then,
responsible.
If that is what we have in mind, then God must bless us.
God must bless us.
We'll be the best parents ever. Guys, I bet to that.
So, this is the conclusion of the matter.
Hapa kwa kuchapa mtoto?
Kwa kuchapa mtoto. Discipline.
Bado unajua sifai kuchapa mtoto uniambie achane. Unafaa pia kushika uswaga alafu uniite mbele.
Exactly. Hiyo nayo.
Kwa sababu I can relate to what happened to me nikiwa young. Mama tigana mwana so me I tend to kusema babangu ni mbaya alikuwa ananipiganga. So it is wrong.
Of course it's wrong.
So ukiona nikiswaga aniache niswage alafu utaniita kando uniambie hapo umepiga vibaya.
Au kuambia hiyo makosa iko inafaa kupigwa.
Usijipendekeze usijifanya tu you are the favorite parent. Nitawangoa kwa nyumba yangu.
We are talking of things to come.
But I can't just wait to have to be seated his side, daddy left side, my 2 kids here, my other 2 kids here. Na pia tuongeze dining. Kwa 3 guys. Alafu 7, 8 side. Alafu with time
fikisha hapo.
Balance.
Fikisha hapo.
So kuna gap kwa nyumba tunasema hii gap nitaka mtoto. Tunapiga ingine.
We have discussed this not out of pressure.
Yeah.
But out of, we
feel it's the right time
to discuss it. And we have discussed this not just for us. We know there are many people who are not online. We know there are many people who have not placed their life online, but they get these pressures. Yeah. So we have talked about this so that you can gauge yourself and say, indeed, do I really need to buy this pressure? Do I really, in fact, there's no any reason to buy pressure. We have discussed this for you.
Yeah. To learn. Or to know us more.
Yes.
Or to get to intrude to our private
and also to know when you should be ready.
Yeah, when you should be ready.
Because you should not be ready out of pressure.
Yeah.
You should not be ready because of the in-laws.
Yes.
But we should be ready because of the things that we have
discussed. Those 3 questions. Psychologically preparation.
Yeah.
Have you prepared yourself that this is a blessing and I'll be responsible for it?
Yes.
Are
you in agreement?
Are in agreement? Because by there kuna especially nowadays Gen Z. Naangalia dunia 80 years to come. Sijui kama kutakuwa na kainda na walai. Because people are like, mimi staki marriage. Mimi staki watoto. Lakini hapo kwa dating nataka kudate. I want to have a companion. I want to feel loved. You want to feel loved, you don't want to be committed to that love. Ataki kudate mtu forever, anataka tu kudate. Akichoka
anaruka huko.
Alafu asikue na marriage, alafu pia ameagree hataki mtoto completely. So I'm like, oh my God. In the next, lakini maybe ni dunia inaisha. Who knows?
Yeah. So, parting shot.
So that is who we are. guys, now you can say if you are ready for the kids or not.
And we appreciate for the love, we appreciate for
Thank
the...
you. Guys, keep on subscribing.
Yes.
Kwa hiyo nyumba mimi ndio huongea sana. So if it's your first time here guys, najua nimekubo pole kwa sababu ya kuongea sana. Lakini that's who I am. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hang along, make sure you also watch our other videos.
Yeah.
Get to learn, get the good vibes, get to be entertained because we entertain as we teach at the same time.
Yeah.
And this is my husband. I love him so much. He's an introvert, I'm an extrovert. Guys, you can see we are rhyming so well.
Bye bye.
Bye.
We love you.
We love you.